using different timelines. That is actually pretty effective during coaching and hypnosis session, but also during, well, what's intention? In sales, it's used when, and also when, in places where people need to be manipulated. Go back in time, remember yourself as a girl. What was important to you? How you felt? What were your dreams? And when today you woke up, what dreams did you have? What were you doing yesterday? When you were little, how your mom called you? What name she used for you? What are you going to be doing tomorrow? You see, it's subtle, nothing really is happening, but you kind of, ooh, right? All right, well, now you have examples. Be mindful. Be mindful.
But
So
it's like,
these are,
when are we not being manipulated though? It's like everything feels like a manipulation after taking this class.
and for that, I wrote a whole module. You have to build that inner core so you trust yourself. You have to have strong beliefs that you are okay, no matter who, what says to you, how they make you feel. You need to have that inner strong belief that you are okay. You're fine. You need to trust your thoughts, your beliefs, your desire. You need to honor your desires. You need to believe in the priorities that you have for yourself. You have to believe strongly and unshakably into your own moral compass, what is right and what is not. Well, in shamanic practices, we do it energetically to put you together, build that inner core. But obviously, there is more work needs to be done. Self-reflection, constant affirmation of yourself as a whole being. I am fine. Doesn't matter who and what says how they make me feel. It has to be unshakable. And then inner support system. I don't know how to translate it in English, of course. You have to build that foundation inside on which you can lean, on which you can rely. Skill of self-reliance. Lots of people don't have that. Any simple question everybody runs, like, let me ask somebody, let me go get somebody's opinion. If you just stop and think about it, you probably have the answers. Any little thing you need, how fast do you run and ask for help, or you actually try to do it yourself? If other people's opinions matter more on day-to-day basis, you don't have that inner support. Have to build that sovereignty. You have to trust your opinion more than anybody else's, unless it's something that you have no knowledge of, like you're not going to do brain surgery because you're not trained surgeon. But with things like how should I feel about it, you should have your own opinion. Then you're not likely to be influenced by wrong people. You have to trust yourself. In toxic relationships, it doesn't happen, right up front. Here I am, narcissist. I'm going to use you, abuse you, deal with this. It happened little by little. They see this that they train you not to depend on yourself, not trust yourself. They gaslight you little by little. Are you sure you feel this way? But you're the ones that feeling it. Who else will be sure? You don't want to think this way. Well, you're just imagining it. Surely you can't be feeling this way. You're just confused right now. Happen little by little.